You hit send on a proposal you spent 20 minutes perfecting. You refresh the page 6 times. Nothing. No view, no message, just silence. Another job with 50+ proposals already. What if I told you the problem isn't your writing, it's your timing? You're burning $15 per connect just to apply. A typical job costs 8 connects. That's $1.20 gone before you even get a view. But here's the gut punch. In 2026, the average job gets 50+ proposals in the first hour. Uma AI shortlists the top 10 within minutes. Your proposal is buried before you close the tab. You're paying to be invisible. Let's do the math. You send 20 proposals a week, that's 24 hours in connects alone, plus 2 hours of custom writing, that's 8 hours a month, wasted. You refresh the feed, see the same jobs, feel the pit in your stomach. The grind is real. You're competing against bots, cheap bids, and clients who never reply. You start asking, is it me? No, it's the system. You try templates, clients can smell them. You buy more connects, just more money down the drain. You lower your rate, now you're competing with $5 gigs. You try an auto bidder bot, that's a permanent ban from Upwork. They detect automated activity instantly. Every fake solution costs you time, money, or your account. There has to be a smarter way. Here's the truth. Winners aren't better writers. They're faster and more selective. The first 10 minutes after a job posts decide everything. Uma AI shortlists early applicants. If you're not in that first batch, you don't exist. This isn't a talent problem, it's a systems problem. You need a timing advantage, not a template. That's where SnipeWork comes in. It scans Upwork every minute using the official API, completely within their rules. The moment a job matches your skills, you get a Telegram alert. Open it, review the AI drafted proposal built from your profile, personalize it, and hit send. You're human in the loop, so you stay safe. No bots, no bans, just speed. You go from buried to first in the client's inbox. Here's a real Tuesday. Alert at 9:04 a.m. Job posted 2 minutes ago. You open the AI draft, tweak one line, send at 9:07. Client messages you same day for an interview. That's what speed looks like. Try it free. No connects wasted, no risk. Just a system that puts you first. Link in the description. Start your free trial today. No credit card needed. You stop being invisible the moment you stop waiting. The job you want is posted every minute. Now you'll be there first. Don't just apply, arrive.